Welcome to the KetoBakes YouTube channel, where we make keto baking super easy, fast, and fail-proof. Today, we're using our family pizza crust mix to make these keto veggie pizza appetizers. To your mixer, let's go ahead and add your pizza crust mix, mozzarella cheese, egg whites, and water. Then, we're going to mix on medium until everything comes together into a smooth dough. Spray your parchment-lined baking sheet with cooking spray, then add your dough to the baking sheet. Press the dough into an even layer on the baking sheet, and then you're ready to put in the oven. Take the crust out of the oven and let it cool. Let's start our ranch cream cheese spread by adding 2 blocks of softened cream cheese to a mixing bowl. Then add a tablespoon each of dried dill, parsley, garlic powder, and onion powder. Add your salt and pepper to taste, and then mix on high until smooth and creamy. Add on top of your cooled pizza crust, and then smooth into an even layer. Next, let's add any veggies that you choose. For us, we chose cucumber, broccolini, cheddar cheese, and some chopped fresh chives sprinkled on top. Your veggie pizza appetizer is now ready to be cut and served. You're going to love the chewy texture and yeasty flavor of our pizza crust mix that's paired with our homemade ranch mix and fresh veggies. Find the full recipe and all of our products at KetoBakes.com.